This video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer USDT in another stable coin of US dollar from your Binance account to your MetaMask wallet. So it's pretty simple. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But for those people who do not know, stable coin, basically stable coin, its value is going to be equivalent to a country's money. So for USDT, it's going to be equivalent to US dollar. So when you're buying USDT, you're buying US dollar. So its price doesn't goes up, its price doesn't goes down, because a dollar is never like $2 or $3. Let's say you have $1. It's never going to be $2. So that's basically what USDT is. You have $1 USDT, it's not going to be $2. So yeah, that's basically what stablecoin in USDT is. If you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website of USDT in another Tether. So let's get into the video. But before that, your first step, you want to go to Binance.com and log in into your account. After you go to Binance.com and log in into your account, you want to go on wallet and you want to go on overview. After you go on overview, basically you want to go on the withdraw section over here because we want to withdraw crypto from Binance. So you want to go on withdraw. Once you're over here, you want to choose the coin which you want to transfer, which means USDT, and another Tether. You want to click USDT. After you choose USDT, you want to open your, MetaMask over here. So I've opened my MetaMask and I'm going to click on USDT over here. And if you do not see your USDT over here, then basically you can just click on add token and search for USDT and add it. I've already done that, but if you guys do not know how to, you can just click on add token and search for USDT and add it. After adding it, just click on it. And after you open it like this, basically you want to go and receive. And once you click on receive, your, USDT's wallet address is going to be received over here. So I'm going to click on receive over here real quick. After you click on receive, you want to click on copy, and the wallet address of your Tether and in another USDT is going to be received. After you receive that, basically you want to paste the wallet address over here. After pasting the wallet address, you want to choose which network you want to use. Ethereum is a bit expensive, so I'm going to go with BSC because it's a lot cheap. So I'm going to go with BSC and I'm going to click on yes, I'm sure. After doing that, you want to enter the amount of, USDT you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer $100 worth of USDT. I'm going to click on withdraw. Once I click on withdraw, my USDT will be transferred from my Binance account into my, MetaMask wallet. So hope you guys were able to understand the video on how you guys can transfer USDT. Now remember, when you're transferring, crypto, basically you want to copy the wallet address of the crypto which you're transferring. I copied the wallet address of Tether because I was transferring Tether. You do not want to copy the wallet address of Bitcoin and paste it over here when you're transferring Tether. Basically your Tether is going to be lost. So copy the wallet address of the crypto which you're sending. For each crypto, the wallet address is different. So that's basically it. Hope you guys were able to